On this video today, I will be showing you what to do after losing your braid to avoid breakage. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Vibe with Mercy. First and foremost, let's lose this braid together using the most fastest way. Alright, this is the most fastest way of losing your braid. After doing that, we will proceed on the main purpose of this video, that is showing you what you are going to do immediately you finish losing your braids to avoid hair breakage. All right, stick to this video, watch to the end and get the step by step. Let me not go and cut my hair. Right, after this, let go. Done with my hair. 5 minutes later. Ooh. Are we progressing? Yes, we are. I'm done losing my hair. I'm done losing it. See. Once you're done losing your hair, don't comb it immediately. So right now I am going to show you what you are going to do to avoid hair breakage. All right. This is my fresh aloe vera. So you divide this hair into like 4 equal parts. Divide it like into. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So I'm done dividing my hair into 4 parts. I don't want to tie this one because I'm starting from here. So this is my aloe vera. If you have blender, blend this very smooth. But if you don't have blender, you can do it the way I'm just doing it right now. So you use your knife and cut. See, just cut. What you need is this water that is coming out. So bring one part, use the aloe vera and rub it like this. You see what I'm doing? Anything I'm doing on this hair, I go natural, pure natural. I'm just being very fast because I don't want this video to be so long. See the way I'm doing it? This is the way you are going to. Once the water is dry, you can see. This is the. What you need is just the water. Anything I'm doing on this hair, I go pure natural. It will even help to detangle all those stuffs. It will just detangle your hair and make your hair to be very soft. Very natural stuff. So that when you are combing it, it will not break. I'm being very fast to avoid this video to be so long. After applying the aloe vera gel, you use your hand to massage. Massage properly. Massage properly. You see what I'm doing? Don't comb yet. So after massaging, You can use with shower cap and leave it for like 5 minutes before you comb. And after combing, you can wash. Yeah, continue to do this gradually. You will see that your hair will be getting fuller and longer. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. All right.